Wega nontu akona kanya kugwatana na tumethani yetu ya nteto tha mugwanjani umbitagwa Christine Wanjeru. Tukiambirejia harwangirwa ugambithania kuma ntere cia Embu ni ruthite maandamano mathiri nikenda kuririkana mututigi Monica Kivuti uria urauragirwe nthingoni cia koti ya kuruta ugambi wawe. Ni baria makuite ndwano cia kuonania haki kirimo na ngimono nkuruki kuga ati agambithani matibatire kwethirwa kwira wirani wao ni macokete maromba kwethirwo kwina ukaria wa kwigana indiria mari wirani ciao macokete marombera mututigi.
I think this is a wake-up call for all those who are concerned with the security of the judicial officers and the judges. We are not trying to cast blame, but we all know that the issue of security has been of concern to all those of us who work with the judiciary for a long time. We are now calling upon all those concerned with the welfare of the judiciary to get more focused on the security issues. One of us, it did not have to happen like this, but unfortunately it has happened. One of us has lost her life, and we would wish that no other life is lost in such circumstances. That is why we are here. We are trying to communicate to all and sundry that we start together with our fallen heroine, Monica, Honorable Monica, and we are together with her loved ones. And we are happy, we are encouraged that we have had assurances from very high quarters that the issues of the security of the judicial officers, the security of the courts generally in the country will now be taken much more seriously.
We are here to condemn in the strongest terms the murder. We are saying it's an incident. However, we want to call it what it is. It is murder. It is the killing of a judicial officer, and we are here standing in solidarity with the members of the bar and members of the bench, where she is a member, because as much as she served in the bench, for starters, she's an advocate. That is where we all begin. So we are condemning her murder in the strongest terms, and the reason that we have walked from Embu Law Courts, it's a peaceful walk. It is not a demonstration. It is a peaceful walk to stand in solidarity with our own and give support to the family in the way that we can. And this is now how we do it, to get out here and tell the members of the public that we are human. We demand protection of the law. We demand protection from other people. But even so, the saddest bit is that Honorable Monica was killed by an officer whose main obligation is to protect us.
Musiasa na mobiashara niwe Jacob Mantiri na uriti atongoria mamuri ma Kenya kugwata mbaru munini wa rais kire itagaria ria wera kugwatithania kirima ara nikenda kureta uthina mbere nkuruki na mauriti mithiro makimugwata mbaru kire rwaria rwa one man one vote one shilling.
Kenya ende ibo ba kithakene na ibo tokaura wo. Okay, akwelele coast governor wa Kwale no ODM. No unda. Governor wa Lamu ni wa NCM Ndabandi. I think na Taita no. So governor siba bomete ke mirengo mwanya.
Uteo kiama kimo uteo muungano.
I think over that ibo ba ODM. Lakini baraba angere balita sauti yo imwe barari rastia mandu ya pwani be ya mubonde waunda tu nyabange bakare ari waunda to ruto kate buri ogere thibo murige lakini wari wa wonde ari ya coast agona barawende barenda kujumuisirwa abunge MCS stakeholders pastors bobonde mandu bandini lakini batu twayanwa o ngabamo bena Gachagua bange bena Ruto batu tukaugetha twithi nene usimaribu kwariria mantu yenu yayo boinya kibabu butuburi gutho gwena murengo ire rabo gwetangwe ya wende gweti parliamentary group ya unda no kunyende muntu uti oyo ateburi weta yo imantu ya pate weta kwa lakini ebo kwaria mantu ya Mount Kenya antu baburi kwaria bayamo kosinkori ara nyeiboni kasi akatwaringira antu bakarikura me ante kwenda kuingilia antu bamwe kasi na ate twaringangire kura ya Meru na antu ba Mount Kenya twaringire twena antu ukiagutho Gachagua daina koroma kwa muntu umwe thiringi imwe na kura imwe no kona antu batomo support na bakimenya thinira twena cio antu baikiama bakaretie Ruto bakaretie kani Meru kani antu ba Mount Kenya iyo ni othinira Meru antu ba Mount Kenya bathithirie ikuringira antu batithwanetie imbibeta kuthithia kura nabo baetere bona Ruto tomera bashinda aki batikolelia Gachagua tu enyare ya mbere na ari anonto ne na oru eta kuritaya so no ari ane no oru akona muthia yo oru yokinya nako kya gutho gutina muntu wina ume ara ukachagua gusinda ye kwenda Gachagua muno kukya gutho gutina muntu mume oba Gachagua Mount Kenya toshoku ara moya toshoketie ra ona bakamaro bakacia bonge kwa kwaria baeta kuina ntiri no yengane ambarathi
Mukarerigete wa maendeleo chap nteresia egembe niwe Jennifer Kadhure na ugiteme karika mantano ciaciari ni mathiete na mbere makenyibaga ntere ino ni untu uria gucokia nkatho muno kiri akarima ntere ni wakiuga ni marumire kajira kau na cokete auria antu akamatige mutugo wa gutigagira antu arume ciana indiria mabitania untu ria kuga ni withagirwo gicocera banene ciana kuthukangwa kiwendo na matari methiro makithungira kiri ikundi ne kenda maomba kwithirwa magiukiria uturo wao gukurukira mbia inocia anguru.
Jennifer Kadhure ari murungamiri ikundi bya maendeleo ya wanawake ntereni cia igembe imwe kuruethiritwa akiritanĩria bunene kurwa na ntano ciaka wamwe na anabari wikirwa iu na mwanka nandi ariuga kuna maciara jamega tonto ntano iu ninyite
tukurwa ntano ciare ndio tutetheria ari kenda batithukirwa maisha yo na baba inge ibelewe to inteto na ntano ciare ni skonyia nonto mwanka thai tiere 19% kumara tukinyete ni kuthira na mwanka thai kinya ukiakuwa kurutani baba utana professionals kana nto kinya bathomi bakomnyoba kwethe nonto bwatama embecha nonto mbia nacio isiraretere thina ndrenembe embe to dependa ke muteyeta wa mura na muteyeta wa mura ituonete thina nonto bwa kwithirwa yote na mbecha mwanka thai batu twathometherwe na mbecha mira na ana beto thai ende turi akuo kwa ukathirwa tena kawe kathirikari kuri wa muchara withinene no kona na bara baingi bakwingwa especially kinyana ba mkia orphans nonto itokuona na bau batikuona fees na wairi kinya kwaria na mwarimu aikuria na baba kare ambi skuru no kelewo bo nonto mwarimu kaeta kiondone yawe amathira na ba
bongi aritara antu akabonde na kubatha bagatigaira antu arume ana ndiria bathukana tonto ibumwe buria bukuretera na thina irio cia muturire na mukarire
ndiromba ndi murui wa manto ya dhuluma za kinjinsia itu imenyere sana nonto tokeongela thina thinene nonto itokuona thina thirikari neto ni tuongela na dhuluma itokuona manto ya tebwa ankoria ciere atire ni mbie to mito atuotia ira kurwana oretia kinya kana kaka mwale kaka umankima che mukuru waku nonto bwa kwethira mukuru waku atena mbecha utemuga wenda nto murumo tena mbia ntukui na ikia tumirone arume bonthe ba utani kinya kiriana bakwambiriria manto ya defilement kotini ena kesi nyingi ikathira ocia defilement bamwe bambiri nyoskisana mwana na defile na ibo kuibo skisana bibo skisana na mwana ra medhulumiwa uyo mtoto amedhulumiwa bwesikisana botethia mwana wate.
Dennis Mugendi, Weru TV, muciini o Maua, kaunti ya Meru.
Muthenya wa monde nirio abunge mareregeretwe kuthoma muswanda wa ugoti itaria kairi na kuringira kura indi mauntu ni magarukite na maruthira finance bill eno maugaruruku murigo wa ugoti uria akenya marai methirwe makiuka matari umatiuka mata kairi ni baria ugoti webere twikire into mingi cia gitumi iria akenya marari mongererwe ugoti kiricio ni baria ri umona ni gikeno na nkinyagia kubebuka kunene nuntubwa ontu uyu.
We have listened to the view of Kenyans and we are all in agreement that there are two things that we must do. One of them is that we need to protect Kenyans from increased cost of living, and therefore the proposed 16% VAT on bread has been dropped. To support again on reducing the cost of living, we are doing something about vegetable oil so that we do not make it expensive for Kenyans. Transfer of mobile services is a key concern to many Kenyans, and therefore again we have proposed that we do not have any increase on taxation or mobile phone transfer. We have seen in the recent past the proposals that we've made on statutory deductions on SHIF and housing levy has added a loan on especially on salaried Kenyans, and therefore we have proposed that those statutory deductions now be allowable to pay, so they will not pay an additional pay on those. We all agree that environment conservation is a key concern. The fact that you've had a drought and a few months of floods and our drainage clogs, we have agreed that we need to make a good decision about how to protect our environment. And that is what the wisdom on the introduction of eco-levy. However, imposing this on locally manufactured goods would again increase the cost of those locally manufactured goods in the country and stand a risk of making them not competitive in the East African market and globally. Therefore, this eco-levy will only be chargeable to imported finished products. And therefore, all locally manufactured items, and especially including diapers and sanitary towels, will not be subject to eco-levy. We must make sure that we become a manufacturing country and not a trading country. And therefore, the imposition of this only on imported finished products makes our locally manufactured products more marketable to the, not just reducing the price, but also making them affordable to even export. On the VAT threshold, we have proposed in our amended report to increase that VAT threshold from 5 million shillings to 8 million shillings. Therefore, small and medium enterprises that have turnover of less than 8 million shillings do not therefore have to register for VAT. On ETIMS, we have had avocado farmers being asked to give ETIMS receipts. We've had mama mbogas who do their supplies to hotels being asked to register for ETIMS. We have proposed that these people be given exemption on ETIMS registration, and especially for those farmers and those small businesses that have a turnover of below 1 million shillings. We have had the conversation about eggs and onions and potatoes. So what you've done to protect our poultry farmers, our potato farmers in Nyandarua and Molo, and protect our onion farmers, we have proposed excise duty only on imported table eggs, imported onions, and imported potatoes. This makes our onions, our eggs, and our potatoes more marketable to us and the region.
Muthenjeri Wangai Dangras Mweti kuma kanithani ya Independent nari na oreti agwatiriri monde mantura shetu kwamberia kire atongoria magi siasa kuthi mwanka kire atongoria makanitha methirwe makirutira na kwithirwa makerekithia mbeu imbithi ne kire makuga mbeu imbithi maengi ni matete mwerekerano ntu wakwaga umenyo
kutupatia watumishi ambaye ni wa msha Mungu.
Mental problem, watu kujiua, watu kuuana, watu kujirusha kwa maji, kujitia kitanzi, familia kuinukiana, watoto kuingia kwa mambo mabaya ya homosexuality, mambo ya lesbianism, mashule. Siku hizi hauna hakika mtoto wako kama ako shule ako safe, hauna hakika akiwa kwa hanti yako ako safe, na mambo hayo yote yanatuaffect, na hatufai kukaa kando kama kanisa tuseme hiyo ni shinda ya watu wa ulimwengu. Hiyo shinda inakaribia kabisa mpaka inaingia kwa kanisa. The other day mliona kuna mchungaji alijitia kitanzi on a Sunday, kanisa wanamgoja, kondoo wanamgoja, only to hear yule ambaye huatia tumaini amejiweka nini kitanzi. Kwa mambo yanaendelea mengi, na hiyo ndio reason number 2. Familia mingi zimeinukiana, mambo yanatendeka. Ukikuja huku utashangaa. The other day ni ripoti haifai kutolewa kwa sababu people are very confidential, lakini utasikia kuna watu wamefanya research wakaelewa. Hapa Buri sub-county pekee hiyo iko kwa research na ni data imefanyika. Kuna vijana more than 60 wale wamejiweka kama kikundi cha watu ambao wameingia kwa homosexuality. Na wako wanaendelea kurecruit wengine, wanaendelea kujiongeza. Kwa hivyo tukikaa kwa penzi wachungaji, ukisema hiyo shinda ni ya ile dhehebu, ni ya ile dhehebu, kidogo kidogo hatutakuwa na kizazi, kidogo kidogo hatutakuwa na wachungaji kesho.
Tunaheshimu maaskofu mababa wetu.
When our political leaders come together, when our security line, hiyo protocol sana nisamehewe, tukija pamoja tuondoe tuta zote, tuondoe mipaka na tuweke upendo na sauti moja. I'm telling you, kama vile Chinua Achebe alisema, when people come together new ideas zinazaliwa. Kuna mambo yakazaliwa hapa. Hallelujah. Unaamini hilo? Kuna mambo yatafanya nini? Tukija pamoja hapo, exchanging one, sharing ideas, exhorting wale wako chini. I'm very sure, shortly, watu wengi watakuja kusoma Buri East, wataanza kuuliza ni nini kinatokea. And that is our humble prayer as pastors.
Tuje pamoja na maaskofu.
Katokia kanya tunogoke banini utikathie no aku.
Ana baku ni botoro barujo ritana mwana waku ega bwagwekaga muthitho ari umunini kenda ombaga kubangira rujo rwawe na Solution Sacco Hippo Junior account baritane ati ochumuni yonde ni agitumi na gwekaga muthitho yonde ni bobwega ni untubo matuko janyu mene muthitho joka batetheria gukura ni twitikaire free internal standing order na nkuruki turi na fande ya twana na jangi jama ingi rugura Hippo Junior account kirerwangirwe tururu ya kwinagwe na wigwatire Hippo Junior Piggy Bank utheri kenda kuthongomia wiki bo muthithu kugwata nteto nkuruki turingire thimu gukurukira 0728787972 kana uriongire mutandao wetu www.solutionsacco.com. Solution Sacco, your ultimate financial partner.
Mwezi huu wa Mei, changamka na StarTimes. Tunaleta joto na channels mpya na shows mpya kwa ajili yako. Chagua bouquet yako na uwe connected. Enjoy magic na adventure zaidi kwenye Kili Channel.
Oh man, this is gonna be awesome.
Ni sherehe zaidi kwa wapenzi wa sporti, wrestling, basketball na football.
A goal to send a message.
Lipia subscription yako uwe connected. Guswa hisia na drama na telenovela freshi, movie kali, documentaries, mziki na lifestyle channel. Changamka na StarTimes.
Let's get ready to
download StarTimes on app kwa burudani kemkem wakati wowote popote ulipo. StarTimes, furahia maisha kidijitali.
Nukubanga gweta kuongera kithomo gyaku nthiguruna ya USA kana Canada. Ithiro iri undergraduate, accelerated nursing, masters, PhD kana kurutana America. Africa Airlift Initiative ibakumbithia ukinyania untu bubu. Nitwajanaga visa coaching, career guidance na motungata jange ja gitumi. Turingira thimu ukurukira 0719857754 kana 0799047279. Riongera obishi yetu ira iri Nairobi, Muthaiga Square, Ntagaro ya Muthaiga Police Station, first floor, obishi namba 7 kana obishi ya Nkubu GM Plaza, second floor, obishi namba 3, Ntagaro ya Nkubu Police Station. Africa Airlift Initiative, success beyond borders.
no twiro kithangikagwo ni mirimo mwanya mwanya na ndiuga kwa nkoro kairi. Mokeo Nutritional Herbal Clinic turiaja nontu bwaku tutiritaga murimo jo sukari na mieri 3, high blood pressure na mieri 3, arthritis na mieri 3, low libido na ntuko 3 na thinewe kathira buru, ironda bya kiu, alangisha mithemba yonthe, thina ya mugongo, kwaga mwana kiri antu akana arume na mirimo ingi kathumba. Aja Meru obisi sheto iri kalkia akwina nduka inene ya Magunas ire yari uchumi na turugura kwambiria thaigire sharuki iri mwanka 10 muciogoro. Maoa turisa Macloch nyuma ya Ken Silva na no turiungire ntuko shionde cha Jumatatu na obisi sheto iruguraga kwambiria thaigire sharuki iri mwanka 10 muciogoro. Nkoroki gwatania na dagitari o munene mutaramu Njei Mburu ntuko shionde cha Jumaine kwambiria thaigire na ndaika 50 aja kwa Weru TV. Kumenya mantu Nkoroki araniria na dagitari o munene mutaramu Njei Mburu gukurukira 0721 640 369 0721 640 369. Mokeo Nutritional Herbal Clinic, tunatibu, Mungu anaponya.
Nilikutengenezea kitu.
From different worlds, come a trio with a shared destiny.
Nikulinde na ikuongoze.
Where will the fashion runway take them?
Mimi nitachunga maua yetu vizuri sana hadi wewe narudi.
Family business is everything.
The beauty and the beats. Shanga, Monday to Friday at 8 p.m. on Maisha Magic Plus.
Aringi nkogwate ogeni mbeo mbithi kumantiresia akachuni mukuromba gavana wa kaunti ya Meru nibwe Kawira Mwangaza ethiriwe akimaringa njeki na njira ya kumagurira into cia mishetho tanguo mibira na mathaga mangi nikenda maomba kwithirwa makiringa mubira kana methirwa magi ukiria na kinyagia gukuria talent ciao ni baria maugite untu uyu ukamatetheria banene matikathungire kirima untu maria makabaragania mautu mao ta utumiri wanda wa cia kulebia
Ibie ni nebya musetho wandini akachiu gicione kya ubunge kia Igembe South ontu asethi bagusetha musetho batina musetho mithako kwao ti mathako indi thina inene yao ikwagia uniform mibira kana into bingi bila biendekaga mithakone kubiona imageni riria timu ingi ciao mecijaga gusetha nabo.
Gavana tukumuromba tutethia mibira volleyball net na uniform na tukawirirwe sana. Ti challenges ira tukulukirite tukaria kilabu kia rigi kilabu kia rigi asethi basetha maguru amatheri tutembut goal cia rigi ni cia ikingi mete twitatu atema tukaenjela na kinya goal cia ogoti
team cia topra ciepua tutemivira asethi bamwe asetha awampa igira tukira kia oro 150 kyo tusetha yo mipira team cia tunyite uniform tusetha t-shirt bamwe cia red bange cia black
na ku kire budget ire kurukitwe mbunge ni account ya Meru bali wote kinyambi baragairwa airomba riao ikiringa bana Kawira Mwangaza abarikane kinyago kiagia ungi na bangenyurire matigari
kire atamast budget ira yabwithirwe utebio ayuthi baka chwand barombite utengerwa ke budget yu
batu to youth baka chwe tonete ne uniform kiego yanto bocho wand na supported the team cia Maua ward na supported the team cia Thero ward lekyo tukuromba mama batu nyethira muguru wetu MCA na rere onka batu turamurika batu onka twingwa we really batu twamuete bro we really support mama na tuonke na mama nyethira MCA na tulero onto nyake 45 million yara bangi to tebi ataleta batu to youth bakacho ke budget irare o tebi atwandikite to youth twamuete twingwa tuirete turombe nonto watewa osikacia na gwethiate kwendeka.
Dennis Mugendi, Weru TV, Akachiu, Igembe South, County ya Meru.
Ndeto shingi na njira enkinyaniru ni cia kinyatha 1:30 kiogoro withiro wina ntuku imbega.